Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to create a more bronzy, neutral type of makeup look today. Perfect for a daytime, nighttime out, really perfect for any time of the year. Super bronzy, super glowy. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Keep on watching. I'm gonna prime a little bit with the Rare Beauty Illuminating Face Primer. I love this primer. It's like super smooth on the skin. I love the consistency of it, and it looks great under foundation. So highly recommend picking that up. All right. So I'm gonna prep my eyes, and then I'm gonna prep my eyes with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. This is what I always use to prime my eyes, and it works very well. You can also use like concealer as well for the lids to hold down your eyeshadow a lot longer so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Alright. So today we're going to be using the Natasha Denona Biba palette, the all natural palette or neutral palette. It's for all year round, for summertime especially, very natural type of palette. So I'm going to go in with the color Tusk right there to just have a nice base shade to work with. I'll put that all over my crease and lid, as so. And this just gives like a nice foundation for the shadows. Alrighty, I think I want to do, yeah, we're going to do like a chocolate bronzy look today. We'll do that. We'll go with that today. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Freckle, the shade Freckle on my crease. And I like taking like a nice fluffy brush and placing that directly on the outer edge of my crease and then working my way up. And these shades, as you can tell, like I barely got any color and it's like super pigmented. Natasha Denona does not disappoint, y'all. Like these shadows are like gorgeous. Products are super expensive, but definitely worth the investment. The root on the crease. And then to kind of like deepen up the outer edge, I'm going to actually take with the color Pasha on the outer edge of our eye. And I like getting a more dense brush, taking the Sigma 838 brush and just applying this more on the outer edge of my eye. Concentrating the color more on the outer edge because I want it more like a smoky look, but still very nice and blended. And then I like taking it up just a little bit and working it back down. Get it nice and blended. So I'm going to go back in with Pasha again and then just kind of like deepen it up. And then I like to get like a brush with no color and just kind of diffuse the edges of my shadow to make it more diffused, as so. And then we're gonna go in, I really like this color, it's like a gold shimmer called Shine. We're gonna go in with that color, and I like to spray my brush after I've applied the product with some either fixed setting spray or any setting mist to kind of just get that color more pigmented on the lid. And then start like in the center and then work my way in and work my way up, kind of giving my shadow like an oval look. Like so. Also gonna go in with the color Rayon, which is this kind of like chocolate color. I'm gonna go in with that. and apply it on the outer edge. So, pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Freckle again and kind of just add a little bit more there at the top of the crease. Of those colors. The brush doesn't have as much pigment. Now our face is ready for the foundation. So I'm going to be trying this foundation. This is going to be my first time using it. But I've heard good things about this brand called MAKIAGE. And this is the After Party Full Coverage Foundation. This is definitely full coverage, so if you are looking to go partying or go to an event and you want your foundation to stay a very long time, I would recommend this because I heard great things about it. It lasts all night and it is gonna cover everything up. It's on my Sigma Kabuki brush, the F84, and do a couple pumps. And then start going to town. And then the shade I'm using is the 090. So that's the shade I'm using today. Yeah, this jump is definitely full coverage. Definitely. Woo! Mama mia! Probably didn't have to put that many pumps on. We're gonna blend it out to my neck. Whoa! Just don't use as much as I did. You need very little of this. This is so gorgeous. Why haven't I used this sooner? For concealers, these are like this concealers I use like almost all the time. The first one's the NYX HD Photofinish Concealer, and I'm in the shade 4.5. I could also go like a shade down to, I think, like the 3 I also do as well. And then I love to go in with the light medium honey Tarte Shape Tape as well. So the trend these days is not to use too much concealer, so I'll try not to. So I'm gonna put like more of like the lighter shade on the bottom, and then the more neutral shade on the outer edge of my eye and my face. So right here, I'll put some here on my chin and a little bit on my nose and under eye. And then at the same time, we're going to go with the NudeStix Bondi Bay Photo Color for some bronzer to kind of warm up the skin. This look is going to be like super bronzy and just like very like summer, like a very summer type of a look. Like a J-Lo type of vibe. Go in with my Morphe M536 brush to kind of blend out the concealer. Great. Just blending out that concealer. Boom. Boom. Alright, now to blend in the contour, I like using kind of like a brush, kind of like this. It's more fluffy. And use as so, picking up the product, always lifting the product up into the skin with the brush. Because that gives you more like a chiseled look when you're like applying it up into the hairline, up into the face. Awesome. So we're also going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder to kind of, I don't like to use too much of the powder. Just using enough to put under the under eyes and a little bit on my face to kind of set in the concealer. Right, and then Just briefly dust it away. I just use enough powder just to kind of set my under eyes. I don't want to have like too powdery of a look since this foundation is really full coverage, so I don't want it to be, I don't want my face to be like super duper cakey. We are going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer to kind of lock in that bronzer that we just applied. An angled brush like this. This one's like the MAC, I think 160 brush. And also place it on that same area where we placed the other bronzer. Yes. And I like to put a little bit on my nose. And we're gonna go in with Colourpop Rustica Blush, which is like a nice like bronzy blush, which would be really pretty for the summertime. So I'm gonna go in with that with my blush brush. And then apply it directly above the bronzer. Such a pretty shade. There's like a little bit of like peach in there too. You can tell. Pick that up. So pretty. We're gonna just swipe a little bit on the nose. Like nice sun-kissed look as well. Go in with the eyes now, do some mascara, some eyeliner. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. All right, and then we're gonna go in with the NARS Climax mascara. This is a really nice voluminous mascara. The one's like super thick. So we're gonna go in with that jump. All over the lashes. I like this mascara because it like, while you're putting the mascara, it also like separates your lashes too. So I like that as well. Oh, we're gonna also put some shadow under the eye area. So first I'm gonna go back in with the color Freckle, which is that light brown color, and just get a nice like fluffy small angled brush and apply it all over the lower part of your lashes. This is just gonna pull the look all together. All right, and then we're gonna go in with Pasha. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush here. Smaller angled brush like the Sigma E30. Apply it more towards the outer part of the lower lash line, because we want the deeper colors towards the end of the lash line. Okay, we're also going to go in with this color Buff too. It's like almost like a terracotta shade, and applying that towards more of the beginning of the lower lash line. Right, and then we're gonna go in with that color, that darker chocolate color, Rayon, and apply that where we kind of applied Pasha, just a little bit of it. I need to hydrate my face a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with the Fix Plus by MAC and just kind of spray my face a little bit. Just make sure it doesn't go in your eye. Close your eyes when you're doing this. We're gonna go in with Soul Body, and this is the warm gold shade. Look how pretty that is. Like, y'all, take a moment and appreciate this highlight. It's gorgeous, beautiful for your skin as well. This is an all over body highlight. So I'm gonna put this on high points of my cheeks. This is so gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, baby. It's pretty. So pretty. I put it like on the ball of my nose, above the lip, and a little bit on the top of the nose. All right, and so I'm also applying the highlight on the inner corner of my eye. Give it more like a pop of color. So pretty. And then like the excess I just put on my brow bone. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail eyeliner, the NYX liquid liner. They have like a matte one, and then this one's more like a glossy one. I like both. They're both very good. Just depends on your vibe. And your eyeliner doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. Just do the best you can. I'm doing it and doing it and doing it. We ain't doing bottom eyeliner because we want this. We don't want this look too dramatic. I mean, if y'all think this is dramatic, y'all haven't seen none because this is not dramatic for me. This is very like neutral. Like, y'all. So for lashes, we're gonna do the Kiss lashes, the 11 lashes. Super, super gorgeous lashes. They're nice and wispy. And then I'm going to go in with my lash glue adhesive from Kiss as well. These are really, this lash glue is really good for like these type of lashes with like the more natural band. Alright, now to finish off the look, we are going to do our lips. And I'm going to go in first with Morphe Sweetheart Liner to line my lips. And I like to overdraw my lips a little bit too to make them a little bit plumper. So you can like basically line a little bit over your lips, like so. Because we want to pop. We want these lips to pop. Okay, and then we're going to go in with KKW lipstick. This is the shade 1.5 Nude. I'm going with that, baby. Yes, please. Okay, and then we're going to go in with the lip gloss. This is from the Sephora collection. This one is called Outrageous, and this is the Plump Effect lip gloss. And we're going to put that all over the lips. Yes. It's so pretty. Like, oh, like, y'all see this? Like, y'all witnessing this? Like, if y'all witnessing this, I fucks with you. I fucks with you. Alright, everyone, so this completes the final makeup look. I had to throw on my little beach hat to kind of pull in the vibe, but this is a perfect summer bronze makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed, and make sure you like this video. I'm making sure you like it, so make sure you thumbs up this video, because if not, you're all gonna be in trouble. Subscribe, please, to see more of me, and comment down below on some more makeup looks that you would want me to do in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.